Great company, strong brand, good management, rising sales, growing profit, loyal customers, yet the stock falls 30%, 40%, or sometime more. Many investors feel confused. They ask if the company is so good, why is stock crashing? Because a great company is not always a great stock at any price. When valuation falls, it is called de-rating. This is one of the most expensive lesson in investing. Let's begin with the truth many people learn late. There is a difference between great business and great investment. Business can be excellent, but if you buy it at too high a valuation, returns can disappoint badly. Let's make it simple. Suppose a company earns 20 per share, 20 rupees per share. The market is extremely excited and gives it a P of 50. Stock price became 1000. 1 year later, earnings rise to 24 rupees 24. That is good growth, but the market becomes less excited and gives it a P of 30. Now stock price became 720 rupees. Earning increase, stock price fell. This is called de-rating. Why does this happen? First, expectations were too high. Premium valuations required premium execution. If growth slows even slightly, investor reassess the multiple. Second, interest rate rise. When rate rises, future profit are often valued less generously, especially growth stocks. Third, competition increases. A company or business once see a dominant may face new rivals, pricing pressure, or market share risk. Fourth, margins peak. If investors believe profitability is at unsustainable high, they may lower valuation. Fifth, sentiment changes. Market moves in cycle. Excitement can turn into caution quickly. Sixth, sector rotation. Money flows from one theme to another. Even strong businesses can see lower multiple. Important insight: derating does not always mean company became bad. Sometimes the business remains excellent. The valuation was simply too rich earlier. This is where many investors get trapped. They fall in love with the company and ignore the price they are paying. But price matters. Even the best businesses can produce poor returns if bought irrationally high. What should smart investor do? Separate company quality from valuation. Study historical multiples, compare with peers, compare valuation with growth rate and return profile. Ask what expectations are already built into price. Is the market expecting perfection? If yes, risk rises. Use patience. Build positions gradually. Avoid emotional chasing after huge rallies. Here is the biggest takeaway. Long term returns come from two decisions: what you buy and what you pay. Many investors focus only on the first. Serious investor focus on both. So next time a quality stock crashes, don't ask only what happened to the business. Ask what happened to the valuation. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.